Alright, so ngayon naman from the roads, let's go now to the pools. Kasi syempre, may more than 2 weeks pa tayo para syempre sulitin itong summer. Kaya pupunta tayo sa mga pools para turuan tayo ni Jota Messi single sa swimming. Dito lamang yan sa One Life.
Good morning, boss, and welcome to Ace Hotel and Suites dito sa Pasig City. Nandito tayo para mag-aral ng swimming. Hindi po ako magpapa-hot oil kung yan ang iniisip nyo. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko, mag-aaral tayo ng swimming para sa summer. So tara na, excited na ako. Let's go! And of course, makakasama natin ngayon ang isa sa mga classmates ko. So mami, ikaw muna, bakit mo naisip na pag-aralin ng swimming?
Well, it's part of their activity talaga for summer. At the same time, to make them healthy, yung ma-expose sila sa good health. And yung activity, not all video games, nga ganyan.
My name's Francis Quasis. I'm 3 years old.
Yeah, 3 years old. Can you be a winner?
Yes, I'm be the winner.
Are you enjoying so far yung lessons mo?
Yeah, I did.
Mahilig ka ba talagang mag-swimming?
Yes.
Okay, so tingin ka sa camera. Tapos, invite mo yung mga kids na katulad mo na mag-swimming din.
I want to join swimming.
Good morning, boss!
My boss.
So, coach, para sa mga boss natin na nanonood, gaano ba kadaling matuto ng swimming?
Madali lang matuto ng swimming. Just have to have that guts to get into the pool, and yung mga teachers na natin ang bahala dyan. Kasi the first that they will have teach you is how to conquer your fear.
Paano natin sila nire-ready para sa ating mga lessons?
So nire-ready namin sila by slowly getting into the water. If they need to walk lang for just 1 hour, we will do that. Kasi talagang to make them feel that the water is friendly, na dapat maging comfortable kayo kasi hindi kayo malulunod dito. You are in control when you are in the water.
Ano bang age pwedeng mag-start mag-aral ng swimming?
We have programs for 6 months all the way to 90 years old or whoever is still able, kahit anong age level. So for 6 months to 3 years old, that's the My Baby and Me program. Ang tinuturo namin sa kanila is water familiarization. For the 7 years old and above, we teach them the survival stroke, the freestyle, and then we move up to the competitive level. So we teach all the 4 strokes, freestyle backstroke, butterfly breaststroke, and then if they know all the 4 strokes, we move them up to the competitive level. Yung competitive level, every year, every after summer, we do a novice competition for them.
Na-notice ko dito sa swimming, yung strain mostly sa lungs. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang sport na in a few minutes mararamdaman mo na sa arms, sa legs. Ito una-una sa lungs eh. Ano po kayang reason dito?
Well, syempre, the environment is different. So, very crucial ang breathing exercises. So, if you don't know how to breathe properly in the water, you'll have a hard time. But again, in swimming, you'll recover fast. So, that's why, di ba, tinuruan kita kanina on how to do bubble up and down because that's the way you can regain your energy para you could do more.
Okay, so coach, baka gusto mong i-invite yung mga boss natin na nanonood sa bahay na mag-try ng swimming, lalo na ngayong summer, baka wala silang gagawin.
Yes po, iimbitahan ko po kayong lahat to join our summer swimming lessons. Actually, it goes whole year round. You can visit our website. It's www.bertlozadaswimschool.com or you can call us at 563-5532.
Okay, so ayan mga boss, narinig niyo naman, kung summer baka wala kayong gagawin or baka gusto nyong matutong lumangoy, lalo na pagka lalayo tayo, yung mga delikadong water trips, punta na kayo dito. Ito po ang inyong sports connoisseur na si Jota Messi. Good morning, boss!